Yes, my Irish family. I just rode up the hill. All my scarf got disheveled. I don't want to go. I'm not ready. But the show must go on. I gotta go. But I just want to say that this is super handy if you're a music lover or you want to listen to your podcast or anything, motivational speech or whatever. It comes in very handy if you walk or ride. If you drive, of course, you can play your car radio. So, as you can see, I'm not yet awake, but the show must go on, right? Okay, see you. Home sweet home.
When you come in from the cold, you need to be warmed up quickly. So Dyson engineers set out to develop a technology that would not only heat the whole room, but it would also heat you personally. The latest Dyson hot and cool fan heater introduces jet focus control. Using the remote, you can choose between focus mode for long range personal heating and diffuse mode for wide projection to heat the room quickly.
Believe me when me tell them to say, oh dear, rough daddy. The wind, it's not just the cold, you know. Alright, winter in Japan is quite nice. It's beautiful. I like to see the snow because, you know, I don't see the snow in Jamaica. So I really like it. And you can do snowboarding. You hear how the wind pop off my door? Me soon lock it. You hear all the evil villains that come for me. When you see the white mountains, it's beautiful. But they cold, yo. They cold. Yeah, the struggle when you're living like a minimalist. Well, this is the year of the ox. It basically means that you should fight hard and you will see your goals come to fruition. So, we're going to fight it out. Alright. I'm gonna get some tea, a warm bath, stuff like that, and come right back. Don't go anywhere. I got these from JU. JU is like a cheaper shop. It's the same Uniqlo brand, I get to understand. A Japanese told me this, okay? So do not quote me. Blame the Japanese who told me. She should know, she's a native. So it's the same Uniqlo. Uniqlo is like a big clothing brand in Japan, and they're known for winter stuff. I think they're known for other things too, but especially like heat tech. And I like saying what heat tech is. So yes, back to the GU now. Or GU, warm up, tell me in. So you want to make sure that you get your warm things. I'm trying to be warm and cute. I don't know nothing about winter dressing, so I literally like watch some videos on that and try to get my style up, you know. I really like pink, so I liked this, and guess what? It's only for 190 yen plus tax. I think it's super cute. This is also on sale for 190 yen. It's called an ultra coat. It's 100% cotton. It has long sleeves, as you can see. It's warm. It can be very, very useful in the springtime and maybe fall when it's not so cold. And this is the heat tech. Of course, it's a little bit more expensive because of the nature of the fabric. So let's look what's happening on the inside. Oh gosh, do not look at my hands. I'm gonna lotion my hand before I do the video. Anyways, remember to like, share, and subscribe. All these things are going through phone, you know. Just show your appreciation by dropping a little like, no man. Just like, yeah. Now wait. You're supposed to have this on the inside, the fleece, to keep you really warm. I'm not seeing that for this one. Oh, it's there, but it's in black. Right, me come on, I just carry it back. Don't play with me. This is also so cute and thick and nice, not just for winter, but you'll have it also for the autumn seasons. And it was also on sale, 190 yen plus tax. Can't get better than that, eh? So I bought the white, and I also bought a plum color because I think it looks so nice, and I'm tired of the dull colors at work. I bought me some more socks. You can't have too many socks. So this was also on sale for 190 yen for 3 pairs. The other sets was for 990. I don't know why these were for 190 plus tax, because they're not damaged or anything, and I like the color combination. I can wear 2 of them together because I tend to do that. I'm gonna deal with cold. And this is the last piece. It's similar to the blue one with a little lacing at the top, as you can see in the picture right there. And I also just got this because I think it can go nicely with this. Yeah, it's not a winter thing, but it was also on sale for 100 yen. So you definitely need to get those, and you also need to get other sort of winter stuff. Let me show you my other stuff. This is also very handy if you want to still look cute. As you can see, it's from Uniqlo. I got this from a friend who was leaving Japan. God bless your soul, girl. It looks thin, but it's really warm, so you can wear your sweater underneath if you don't want to wear any bulky coat. And it's knee length, and these super cute buttons, you can button it up or you can leave it open. And that's so it's lightweight, so there's a bag that comes with it. You can just throw it in there if you don't want to wear it. See, fold it up because it's feather on the inside that makes it light. So you just fold it up, squeeze it up and hold it, put it in this. What if you wear it and the tan gets super warm? Just take it off. Nice, eh? This nice handy dandy vest is also from Uniqlo. You can get the long sleeve version or you can get the short sleeve. It's just a little bit of makeup touch right there, but you can wipe it off with a wet rag. It is, yeah, vest, so it goes all the way down to your waist, and it has a zipper, so you can zip it up or you can open it. Sometimes I wear it on the inside of the gray one, so keep me super warm. And this also comes with a handy dandy bag. So you just squeeze it up and put it in your bag and you're good. All right, next I have here my cute little leather jacket. I hardly wear it this year because it's so cold this year. I will wear it more in the springtime. This last year it was the only thing I wore throughout the entire winter, so you can know that last winter wasn't as cold. I got this from the thrift shop for about 500 yen, I think. And it has nice big pockets. You want to make sure that your winter stuff has pockets so you can just put your hands in there. I'm going to show you that thing on the back side of that one, or behind that green thing. Now this green thing, oh my god, this can be removed. Look at this, super soft, super duper warm. This also can be removed if you don't want the whole fandangles, but of course in the winter time you need the fandangles because you want to show this over your head. It's a hoodie. I'm going to show you the back in a few. It's so fashionable and nice. You can button it up or you can wear it open. It has so many pockets. What I love the best, or not the best, but what I really admire and love about this is this attached piece. This is for your thumb. So Japan has a technology for everything. Keep your hands warm and nice. This is the back. Look at the bottom part. This is like, it hangs down like this. It keeps you really warm. Are you new to the channel? Subscribe. Subscribe. Right, so I recently washed this one, so it's a little bit crushed, but you can see the design and it's super cute. I think I like it. Has pockets, and it goes all the way down to the ankle, but as you can see, this one is not lined. It has belt, long sleeves. This is my other coat. It's shorter than the other one, and of course, did I say on and of course? It has a different design. This is like a double-breasted one. It still has a nice handy string if you wanna string. I'm over that video. This one is a little bit thicker. It's still not lined on the inside, but it's thicker than the other one, and the style is different, so you know you can get a bit of variety. It has the handy dandy belt if you want to tie it on behind, or if you're very cold and you want to snug, you can do that. And this one is just like knee length. This one is longer, so it depends on the look that you're going for. I got these at the thrift shop, I think for 600 yen each, but it wasn't as expensive as they should have been because we got them in the spring when they were doing sales. That's important. Can you see this? Can you see? Do you actually see this? It's so nice. It's simple and very, very warm. Want to keep warm, you definitely need to get Kairos, K-A-I-R-O for the feet. These are long ones. As you can see on the inside, it has the shape of a sock, and you just slip them in your shoes. But guess what, I wore these the first day I wore them, my foot nearly burned off. They burned to me literally, so I'm afraid to wear them. Probably if you're an Eskimo, you can use these. I don't know what they're thinking, why they make it so hot, why. Anyways, there's a shorter version that you can just stick to your socks. This is hand warmer. So these are heat packs, okay? This is already open, so I'm just gonna open it to show you. It's literally like this. And it has some stuff on the inside, some chemistry thing, and you know, once you keep it, hold it in your hand. This has crystallized because apparently I let air in, and because of the cold and whatever, so it has no longer has any use. But yeah, you just hold it in your hand and it really keeps you warm. These last for long, like 8 hours. This is for your clothes, not on your skin because it will burn. They last all day. Just put one in the front, one at the back, or just one will do if you're wearing proper clothing. Trust me, you don't need to, you don't go into winter without Kairos. They're very popular, quite reasonable. Got these on sale, so I got the entire box for 200 and something yen. We can't sell Kairos. I bought 2 boxes, 30 holding 1 pack, because I'm just so devastated. I'm just like, me and the winter now go work. There are some smaller packs, hand warmers too, probably half the size of this one. I got this off AliExpress for 1,000 something yen. So get your boots. That one is shorter and it's black, so I can wear it almost everywhere, and it's super warm. It has the fleece thing on the inside. Anything that you like, and once it's comfortable, but you need something to protect your feet. If you're like me, my feet get colder than anywhere else. On our winter clothing. Gloves, probably I need thicker ones too. I got this at the 100 yen shop for 330 yen. Woo! Keep your ears cool and nice. Here but cool, warm. Scarves. I got this at the 100 yen shop, and this is like another one too. And scarves, my sister sent this for me from America. I think she made these. This is a hat and mitten set. It's gonna get colder. Beanie. Can't fit my head because I'm a hairstyle. Scarves, hats, very, very important. This, I'm doing this on my bed. This covers my electric blanket. Anything that is furry and fuzzy, you want to have that. You know, the blankets. You can't have too much. You definitely need to have those on your list of things to have in the winter. I forgot that, you know, if you don't know heat tech, you don't know heat tech. It's just a top, and they have for men as well, and they have some with turtlenecks. It's just a top to keep you warm. It's like an undergarment, because in the winter time you need to layer, so you need to have your heat tech, your leggings, and then whatever else you're putting on over that. Thing that I find super duper handy is tea, and your traveling tea mug. So apart from my water bottle, I do have this. I make my Milo, hot Milo, whatever, tea and I just bring it with me, or sometimes I just put some honey in there, so when I bring my tea bag, make my tea at work. If you're a coffee lover, you can do the same. There are also some bigger ones and smaller ones, and it really keeps your stuff hot for a long time. Yeah, you might not like tea, but a warm beverage actually helps when you're freezing, or you can just use a teacup. And it's also nice to just hold the teacup because it's warm and nice. So that's another trick that I've found. But from ever since we love tea, you know, Jamaicans love tea. We drink tea when we have running belly, we drink tea when we have gas. Yeah. You subscribe, press the notification bell beside it now